Welcome back to Paper Magic Studio. Today I'll be turning a Dollar Tree wooden pen holder into this cute farmhouse style piece of decor with all Dollar Tree supplies and my Cricut. So I found this wooden pen holder in the craft section at Dollar Tree. I'll be using my favorite acrylic paint to paint the outside of the box. I'll put a link in the description on where you can find this paint. I found this burlap ribbon also at Dollar Tree, and we'll use the ribbon to wrap the box and use hot glue to secure it. You can find these floral foam balls at the Dollar Tree. I'll put enough in to keep the main ball from moving to where I'm going to stick my flower in. This is the flower I found at Dollar Tree, and I'll be using it as my centerpiece. There were other colors available as well. You'll just stick the flower in the foam ball so that it's secure. Now I'll take my artificial moss and pack it inside until it reaches the top. Now for the fun Cricut stuff. I love to put hidden Mickeys throughout my house, so I'll be cutting a Mickey head out of the same burlap ribbon. First, I'll find the Mickey head in design space and size it to about 2 inches. I also had to weld my design so that it was just one piece. Now to cut the burlap, we'll need to go to Browse Materials, Filter to Fabric, and find the burlap setting. The tool you will need is the rotary blade. You can see here that it's telling you to insert your rotary blade in clamp B. Since the burlap ribbon is thick, I taped it down to secure it in place. I'm going to switch out my blades to the rotary blade. You just take the cap off carefully and line up the gears so that the blade sits well in the clamp. I cut mine twice to be sure it would cut. It came out perfectly with this burlap. However, be careful so that you don't cut your mat if it cuts too deep with other ribbon. I'll attach my burlap Mickey head with a bit of hot glue. And there you have your transformed wooden pen holder into a cute decor piece for your home. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button to see more Dollar Tree crafts using your Cricut and other Cricut projects come to life. Until next time, and thanks for watching.